Hey children, welcome back to your computer class. Fine. Today we'll be seeing how to use Microsoft Paint. All are excited? Yes, even I am very much excited to show you how to work with Paint, okay? So the chapter is Fun with Paint. Shall we start it? Fine. So, you came to know various tools that you can use in Paint. Is it so? Paint can be used to draw and color pictures on the computer. Fine. So now I'll be starting you or I'll be letting you know what are the different tools, okay, that are used in the Paint. The first one, what is given is line tool. The first one, what he has given is line tool. Can you see this? So this is the line tool. I'll just draw the line tool for you. I've chosen the color so that you can see. So this is the line tool. Then used to draw straight lines with different thickness. Okay, line tool. Then the next one is rectangle. Rectangle. Wow. It is used to draw rectangles or squares. Even you can draw a square out of it. Can you see this? Fine. So this is a square and one other one is the rectangle. Next one is ellipse. Okay. The next one is ellipse. So you can just use, okay, ellipse. Either a circle or a ellipse or a oval you can. Then the next one is fill with color tool. What is this fill with color tool? It is used to fill color in your drawing. It is used to fill color in the drawing. We'll see how to do it, okay? Then the next one is pencil tool. You have a pencil here. Can you see this? See. This is the pencil. Then next one, eraser. So what I have drawn, I can erase it. Yes? Are you all with me? Are you all observing? So what all did we learn now? Right now you learned the line tool, rectangle. Yes, with that you can draw a square too. Ellipse, wherein you can draw ovals and circle. Fine. The other one is the pencil tool. Then eraser. Okay. This is your color picker. This is your color picker. Click on that color picker. Choose a color. Then you can fill it. Okay, then you can fill it. See, can you see? It's coming in yellow. I'll just take a darker one. So color picker helps you do this. You can either draw it over here. See, can you see this? So this is your color picker. Okay. Understood? Then next, I'll be showing you what are the tools which are present over here. That's the top what you are seeing, the cursor. Can you see this? So this is the one is the untitled paint. That's the title bar, what you call. And the colors what you are seeing here, different colors, that's your ribbon. You call it ribbon. And this is called as the shapes group, wherein you can see n number of shapes which are present. Okay. Got it, children? There are n number of shapes which are present here. So this is what is your shapes group. Then next one, tools group, pencil, eraser, okay, fill with color. Got it? So this is how you are supposed to use. Got it, children? Can you see this? Fine. Then tools group. Then you have tabs, home and view. Home, view. Got it? Good. So in this chapter, we'll discuss some of the tools that we have not discussed till now. Got it, children? We'll be discussing few of the things which we have not yet discussed. So now you got to know the tabs which are present. That's your home, file and view. Quick access toolbar you have. You have a clipboard wherein you have paste and cut copy option. Then you have selecting, rotate, resize and crop the images. Then the tools group you have you have brushes, different pattern brushes. Then you have shapes wherein you have outline or fill with color. Okay, that also you can choose. Then color 1, color 2, you can just choose whichever you want. Okay, we'll be seeing that different colors you have. Got it? Now we'll be moving on to the next one. That's your color picker tool. What it tells, color picker tool. Click on the home tab. It's already in the home tab. Click on the color picker tool. So this is the color picker tool. Then click on the part of the image which has desired color. Click on fill with color tool. Okay. I'll just choose a shape first. See, can you see this now? Wow, it's nice. So I have filled this. I'll click on color picker, then blue color. Okay, fill with color. Click on this. The color is filled. Can you see this, children? Hope you're following. Good. I'll choose one more. Okay, color picker tool. You can use the color picker. Now fill with color. I'll fill with red. Yes. Can you see this? Can you see the changes which appeared? Click inside this. You can color it. You can change the color of this also. Got it? Otherwise, change this. Got it, children? Then. Hope you understood this. So click on home tab. Click on color picker tool. Click on the part of the image which has desired color. Click on fill with color. Click on the part of the drawing you want to fill with desired color. This is one. The next one. Call out shape. The next one is call out shape. Okay. Call out shape. So to draw the call out is even easier. All you need is to click on call out tool and follow it up with the dragging the mouse. Okay, where is this call out tool? Can anybody tell me where is this call out tool, children? Yes, it is here. I'll just... Yay, we got it. You can just drag the mouse. It appears like this. Can you see this? I'll just show you once again. See. This is how you're supposed to use the call out. This is called as call out shape. This will be in the shapes group itself, a cloud. Okay, this is your call out shape. Then this is how you're supposed to do it. After drawing the call out figure on paint, you might be interested in adding some text. Shall we add some text inside the call out cloud? Okay. Click on text tool A in tools group of paint and drag inside the space inside the call out. Okay, you'll be clicking on this A and that A you'll be dragging out here. Okay, and drag inside the shape inside the call out details. Okay, it has to come. Did you see this now? Can you see the changes? I'll just show you once again. Click on home, click on A, click on the call out shape. Okay, SMJV. I'll type SMJV. Got it? You can resize it. Welcomes you. You can change the color. Same font size, font color you can change. Highlight it. Let me highlight it. Can you see this now? The same changes like you have used your word. You can use the same way. Okay. Outline you can give opaque. Click on opaque and it will disappear for you. Did you see this? How this worked out? Click on the call out shape. I'm showing you once again. Can you see this now? Fine. You can just drag it however you want, whichever shape you want. Like the size also you can format. Once you do this, click on A. Okay. Then a text box appears here. Arial bag 16. Okay. Now you can try. Can you see this, children? Hope you are following. Yes. Hello, children. Fine. Did you understand this? Hope you have understood the call out shape, how to use it, and how to add the text inside that. Then next, let us draw the right arrow mark on the canvas of MS Paint. Okay, how to draw this right arrow mark? Click on that right arrow mark and drag it. If you want to add text, the same way, click over here, go right. Hey, this is really good, isn't it? Are you enjoying? Fine. Go right. The same way you can use the shapes. Go left, go right, go up, go down. Okay? Using triangles and all. Understood? So, now, here's a new theme what he has given. Drawing a New Year card. Shall we do it? Fine. So, let us draw New Year card using some commands from the tools group and shapes group. Okay? Let me do it. For doing that, I'll open a new page. Wow. Good. Now, let us draw a New Year card, okay? Let us click on the Home tab. Okay, it's already in the Home tab. Select the oval shape. This is the oval, eclipse, what we have done, okay? Select that. Draw a circle. Fine. Choose a black color only, children. By default, it will be black. Then, draw one more circle below. A little bit bigger. Yes. Did you see this? Good. It came out well. Then, drag the mouse pointer to draw the picture. So, I have finished drawing it. Then, what we are supposed to draw? Draw the cap, hands and legs of the cartoon by using brush. He tells you can use the brush and do the cap and drawing and all, okay? So, I'll just draw it like this. I don't want this, so what I do, I just erase it. Got it? Instead of this, I'll use a triangle. Got it, children? Instead of this, I'll use a triangle. You can use, you are very good in doing all these things. Fine? I'm very new to this. I don't know. I'm trying out like you children only. I know you are pretty good in all these things. Okay. I'll use a triangle. This is better. Right? I don't want to spoil this. Then, so I've just drawn this. Let me draw the hands and legs. It's very difficult, pa. You people can do it. I can't do this. Okay. Then, legs also I'm supposed to draw. I'll use the line tool for legs. Yay! This came out something well. Then, fine. Now shall we draw the call out shape? Okay, it's here. Come here. Yay. Come here, come here, come here. Wow. Okay. Text. Click on A. Click here. Okay. So what I'll be doing? Happy New Year. Okay, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay, Happy New Year. Got it, children? Then next, shall we give some colors to these? Triangle, fill with color using this. Then stomach also the same color I'll choose. Face, let me choose blue. Okay, so then after choosing this, I can take the pencil, click on the black color and draw the, okay, I'm very bad at drawing, children. I know you all are good, so you can do this. Yeah. So after this, click fill with color. You can do any drawings you want. I've just showed you how to do it. Okay, then Happy New Year. We have done it. We have created a joker. Okay, fill with color and background also. What you can do, you can just choose the fill with color, a light color background, you can fill it, and call out shape also, a little other one. Yes, can you see this now? We just fill with color, choose the background, and you can choose the color and fill it. This is one. The next one is the image group. Okay, the image group. The image group contains commands such as crop, resize, rotate, select an image. You can select the whole image or part of an image by using the select command. To select an image or part of an image, follow the given steps. Okay, select the image. In the home tab, click on the select image. Okay, click on the type of selection you want, such as rectangular selection, free from selection, etc. Select the drawing that you want to crop, resize, flip or rotate. Okay, so I'll just choose this. Select all. After clicking on select all, okay, you can use however you want. See, I can the whole thing I can select, flip and rotate. You can even rotate it. See, rotation can be done. Recropping can be done. Got it? Understood, children? So however you want, you can use it. Can you see this? I'm just trying it out. So whatever you want, you can do it. Then cropping also you can do. Next, we'll be seeing JPEG, GIF, BMP, TIFF and PNG. What are these? We'll just see them. Okay. Now, I'll just be showing you. Okay. JPEG. What is this JPEG? I'll just show you. So, what it tells, JPEG is short form for Joint Photographic Experts. Okay. Joint Photographic Experts, and is most popular among the image formats used on web. Got it? Then the next one is GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, is limited to 8 bits palette with only 256 colors. Okay, you will be having only 256 colors in your GIF. Then BMP. BMP, Windows Bitmap or BMP files are image within the Microsoft Windows operating system. These files are large and uncompressed, but the images are rich in color. Okay, the images are rich in color. The next one is TIFF. This stands for Tagged Image File Format. Okay, Albus. This was created by Albus for desktop publishing in the year 2009. Okay, Adobe Systems. This is used for Adobe Systems. The next one is PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Okay, this is recently used format, so not everyone is familiar with it. They tell that since it's been used from 1996. It is an image format specifically designed for the web, okay, in all aspects, and the superior version of PNG is your GIF, graphical interchange format. Okay, so now what all you know, children? Now you got to know how to pick color tool, okay, then draw call out shape, how to use the text inside the call out shape, and JPEG, GIF, BMP, TIFF, PNG. These are formats you got to know. Okay, so hope you all have enjoyed the class, and if you have systems at home or laptop at home, you can just try out doing this practically, okay, using Paint, how to use it, what are the different shapes and all. So meet you up in the next class. Till then, take care.